Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to be looking at how to do 2 digits times 1 digit calculations in your head. And I hope this term 2 digit and 1 digit is the correct one. Basically, I mean, you can do like from 10 times 1 to 99 times 9 in your head. Now let me delete that and let's start looking at the method. Now let me get a random number because my current time is 41 minutes. Actually, I don't want to use 1. Let's say 46 because it's a random number, and let's times that by 8. Okay, now what you could normally do is, I don't know, you could times 8 times 6 equals 48, and then 8 times 40 equals 320, and then you can like add these together to make 368, which I think is the right answer. Let's check. Calc 46 times, yep, 368. However, there's a better method of doing this rather than this. Although it's similar, it's much more quicker and easier to do it inside your head. Now, when we want to do this 46 times 8 calculation, imagine you have 3 boxes. Actually, let me quickly make a new document because I'm running out of space. Oops. I prefer doing it in a blackboard with a white pen because it reminds me of my school days when I had a blackboard. I had a white chalk, and I don't really like the white background board either. Okay, so we had 46 times 8. Now, when you want to do this calculation, imagine you have 3 boxes. We have one box over here, we have another box over here, and then we have another box over here. Okay, and then what we're going to do is put numbers inside these boxes to calculate this 46 times 8. And let's add an add sign here, and you'll see why. Now what should I use? Should I use cyan? Yeah, that's a nice color. Okay, firstly what we want to do is work out this 4 times 8 over here, like so. Now 4 times 8 is 32. So what we're going to do is add 32 to the first 2 boxes. Now let's use yellow as, is it good? Yeah, I like yellow as my second, or not method 2, number 2. There we go. What we do is just do 6 times 8 equals what is it, 48, and then we are going to add, let's create another box there. We are going to add 48 into, where's yellow, here, like so. So we have 4 boxes, and we did 4 times 8, the second or the 10th digit times the first digit on the only first digit, which makes it 32, and then the first digit times the first digit, or the ones digit times the 1 digit. I'm not sure of the terminology, but I don't really care. So that equals red, give me red, that, and that is going to be that. So I had added the 32 into the first 2 boxes and the 48 into the second 2 boxes. Sorry. So now what that leaves me with this simple adding calculation, which is 32 times 4, 32 plus 4, sorry, which is 336, and we're left with 8, which we're just going to be adding. So I think I already did the checking of 46 times 8, but let's just do 46 times 8, and that equals 368. Really simple. Let me show you another example using different numbers. Let me get a new document, don't save, black, come on, black, and a pen with a white. Now what should I do? Let's do a bit bigger numbers. Let's do 76 times 8. Oh wait, we did 8. Let's do 96 times 7, something like that. That'll do. Okay, so let's get our boxes out. we have 2, and we have that. And let's write our 4th box already, but let's put our 4th box a bit farther away so that we know that we're not going to do any calculations here. Now in practice, when you are actually doing your calculations inside your head, there's not much point writing down 4 boxes and then doing it, because once you've done like, I don't know, an hour or 2 hours of practice, you'll just do that times that, that times that, and then add it together and put this number back, and then bang, you've got your answer in your head. So all you need is up to 9 times 9 calculations, because you're doing like 9 times 7 and then 6 times 7, and you're adding stuff together. Okay, so let's do, where's my cyan? There we go. Let's do this first, which is 9 times 7, number 1. So 9 times 7 is 63. So put 63 over here, and then my yellow, we do the number 2, which is 6 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. So we add 4 here, and we add 2 here. Now let's get a white. What we have now is 63 plus 4, which equals 67. And then we are left with this 2 over here, which we just add at the end. So what we are left with is 672 as an answer. And let's check that as well. Get my calculator out. 672. Oh no. 96 multiplied by 7 equals 672, like so. And let's check on the time. It's already 6 minutes. I can do another example now. Oops, come on, black, look good. What should I do? I don't know. 47 times 9. That's a bit easy, because all you need to do is 470 minus 47, which is 423, I think. Yeah, let's check. Let's check that with our method I showed you in this video, we are going to get 423. Now instead of writing boxes and stuff, let's just do the calculations. So what we want to do first is 4 times 9, which is 36, and then what we want to do is 7 times 9. So 7 times 9 is 63. Now in your head, what you want to do these two calculations. So you want to do 4 times 9 and then 7 times 9 quickly in your head, and you're left with these two numbers. And what you want to do is, you have 36 and 63, and you just want to quickly split the second number into the 10th digit and the ones digit, and then just add it together, so you get 423 as an answer, like so. So if you actually get used to, and you can get this like initial calculation in your head, and you can do the add times 4 times 9 and then do 7 times 9, and you can remember these two numbers for like, I don't know, 3 seconds, you can get 423 as an answer in 5 seconds, 6 seconds, quickly in your head. So that was a quick video on how to do a 2-digit times a 1-digit calculations. I did 3 examples on it, 2 slow one with the boxes. The boxes are really useful when you are initially learning the method. So I do 36 here and then 63 here, and then just like that I add 36 plus 6 equals 42, and then add stick 3 in at the end, which leaves you with 400. Oops, I'm making the board messy. 423. So hopefully this wasn't too complicated. You are going to need this, and you need to be able to do this quite quickly in order to do 2-digit times 2-digit multiplications in your head, which I'm going to cover in the next video. So in the next video, I will be doing multiplication one such as 97 times 66, or I don't know, like 47 times 83 or something like that. All these calculations, which at a first glance looks difficult, and you might want to get yourself a calculator in order to calculate this, because you don't want to do like the long multiplications that you did, where you do like 1 2 and then 1 4 and then you cross it out, you add that, and you do 5 6 and 3 7, and then you add them together to get like 3 9 0 1 or something like that. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so look forward to the next video.